Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews here, and I just got my base clothing, I guess you can call it. It's thermals for under your clothing. It's called base thermal clothing. So it's for going under your clothes if you're going to go skiing or whatever the case may be. And yes, so I got the kit off Amazon. As you can see, it says Prime on the package. I got the kit that comes with the top and the bottom. So let's see what we got over here. So I got the entire kit this way. Everything came with it. I think it was around $28 or $30 or something like that. And this comes with the entire. I got a large for myself. I'm like 5'6" and I don't know, 155 pounds maybe. So that's why I got the large size. So black L, this is the size that I got, just so you could see what size that I did get. So this is what I did get right here. This is just an unboxing, unpackaging, I guess you can call it. So I'm going to try it on, and then you're going to see what it looks like on me. But this is kind of what it looks like right here. Okay. I don't know why there's like powder on it or something like that. But yeah, this is kind of what it looks like right here. That's the top right there. And we're going to stick that on and see what it looks like. I mean, it feels pretty soft and nice. I thought it was supposed to be a thermal. This is not a thermal. It's some kind of other material than thermal than what I thought. But whatever. Then the pants are right here. These are the pants. These are the pants, and they're large, so this is what it looks like, the pants. See, so these are the pants right here. I don't know what all this other color means on there, but this is what they look like. This is just an unpackaging video, so you can see what they look like. I plan to use these to go skiing. I don't go skiing that much. I'm not a professional. I go skiing like 3 times a year, and that's it. So these usually work out for me, because after a couple of hours, you'll find me at the restaurant. I'll be eating or having drinks or whatever the case may be. So that's pretty much what will be going on. And I like to, try out the food that's there. That's one of my favorite things. So this is all you're going to see. So this is, like I said, this is just an unboxing, packaging, whatever you want to call it, video. And those are the pants. This is the shirt. That's it. It says earn a free gift. Get a gift if you want. Simply contact us over Messenger or Facebook. You will receive the following gifts: a fitness tracker, a bracelet, or a portable blender. I don't know if I'm going to get to that, but I'll see. But we'll see. That's the feedback card, so you got to leave feedback or whatever. I don't know, whatever that means. So I'll see if I can get to that, and let me see. I don't know if I can. And so yeah, that's about it. And that's the unpackaging of it and stuff like that. I'm going to try it on, and then we'll go from there, and I'll let you know a review of how easy it was to get on, because I thought these were thermals. These are more of like a spandex kind of feeling, and I thought that's what I thought they were when I looked them up, but we'll see. And so we'll put them on and see how easy it is, and then we can get a better idea. All right? So we'll be back right at this with Glenn Velvet Reviews in a second. Let's go check it out. See you guys in a second. Alright, everyone. So this is just going to show you what it looks like on me. And I told you I'm about 5'6", 5'5", I'm around there. And 155 pounds, roughly, around there. So this is kind of what it looks like. And this is the large on me. So you guys can see. So it does feel kind of warm. It is going to be this is the base layer, so it is going to feel kind of warm. I can feel it already. It does feel a decent amount of warmth, but hopefully it wicks away the sweat as good as those other brands that they have out there. I don't even know whatever brands they have, but that wicks away. So I hope it wicks away the sweat, and then we'll know if it's really good. But right now, this is what it looks like, so you guys can have an idea of what you can expect it to look like when you're going to wear it, if you're about my size and my height. And like I said, this is a large. I should have probably got a medium. Maybe I would have got away with it, but people said to get a large to get a little bit more, because after you wash it, it could shrink, is what they said. So I didn't want to deal with that either. So that's why. So that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews. I am out right now. Any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel and join me on my review adventures as I review other stuff, and you guys can see what it is to, you know, what other stuff that there is to review before you spend your money on it, and see what's going to go on. And that's about it. So everyone be safe. Enjoy. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Glen Velvet Reviews is out. Bye-bye.